Welcome to the presentation for the WeighBridge software. Here we can have multiple WeighBridge connectivity and also lots of features regarding WeighBridge and its data requirement. As we have click on the icon of the software, the login screen will appear, and here we have to enter our username and password. So just after that, our main transaction screen will come. So starting from the leftmost, we can see here our logo can be inserted, company name or address and email, and also the phone number can be written over here. So just after that, the fast and easy entry for the operator will be done by ticket or vehicle number directly. So in that entry, we can have multiple transaction mode like single, double mode, or multiple product types. So in this transaction, we can also select type, either it is gross or tear, along with the date and time will come over here. So RFID token, we can select vehicle number, transporter account, driver, and product details will come over here. These all are custom fields we can modify as per our requirements and the printing demand. Here we have the camera connections. So right now one camera is connected and the live feed is coming over here. And as we click on the view all, so all other cameras will be come over here. Maximum we can connect up to 4 cameras here. Right now two are connected, so we can see live video from both the cameras in the software. So in here the live weight from indicator will come and we can have a live reading over here. So here as we enter the details, things will come over here. We will later see it when we operate the software. First of all, we start with the data setup. Here the user role management, first thing is there, so we can create new user, give them the access. Only admin can do this. So user role, weight or product or setup of products and truck details, gate management, everything is here. So we can enable or disable particular field depending on the user and the right we want to give them. So everything is here, just we have to create a user, give them the access. So after that we will see user management. Here the profile which we have created in earlier screen, just we have to select from here. So whatever role we have given over there, so that will be directly applicable to the user over here. So once it is done, unit management, we can create kg, gram or lb. This software can also be used for the small scales for their printing requirements. So even we can create for the gram or milligram also, gram and milligram unit also here. So this is for the unit management. This is main feature of this software. It is WeighBridge management, where we can create new WeighBridge, edit the current one. Like as we can see here, we can give them the WeighBridge or scale one. We can also give it name as WeighBridge one. Capacity we can write here. This software supports both kind of communication, serial and network. So if your indicator, weighing indicator supports serial communication as well as LAN communication, we can insert both type of indicators here in this software. So, after selecting the type of communication, we have to give them the unit of kg or gram or whatever we have created earlier in unit management. As we have selected LAN over here, we have to give the IP address and port number. So once we start here, so automatically hyperterminal weight will come over here. So user do not need to install hyperterminal separately on the computer. We can see live weight in this screen itself. So after that, we have to enter the total string length, starting character, starting weight, character number and the weight length and the format of the uh, weight reading. So this is up to the network communication, which indicators are supporting LAN communication. In case of COM port connectivity, we have to give the COM port number here, data bits, stop bit, baud rate, handshake, everything is here. Uh, we can set the data over here. The same thing of the LAN port, we have to do the same here also for the reader setting, the string length, starting and the ending character, format of the weight and all that. So in our case right now it is LAN port. So we have discarded those changes as we have already configured our WeighBridge. So right now it is connected via LAN, IP address, port number. We can insert as per the different indicator model numbers. So as we have configured our details, we would be able to see our live weights over here. So if it is not coming here, there would be some mistakes and we have to go back to the WeighBridge management and see and check our details, and we would be able to get our live weights. So after WeighBridge management, there is a token management in which we can add our RFID token number. So in case some drivers are or driver or truck numbers are associated with particular RFID number or token serial number, so we can edit those details and insert these for the future transaction purpose of this software. So all this WeighBridge RFID token number will come over here. So account management. This is also a very good feature to add account either XYZ limited company. We can insert. We can also select the role either account or transporter or both. First name is XYZ, for example, last name limited. Code we can give in case of some custom requirements, contact number, email address, phone number, we can create, save, and the information will come over here. So in case of custom reporting requirements or auditing things, we can get the reports on how many transactions done with this particular account in this particular time. So for that purpose, this account management is required. Similar to that, vehicle management is here. We can add vehicle, tire weight, vehicle type, and the particular note if we want to make. So account will come directly over here. So test 1, 2, 3 I am writing right now. Type is truck. For example, the transport services. It is their account is tire weight. For example, is 5,000 kg. Notes. Maybe 6 wheel truck, whatever we want to write, and save. So as you can see now, test 1, 2, 3 vehicle number is added in vehicle management. Okay, so driver management, we can add new driver, first name, last name, account to which this driver is working for, ID proof type, ID proof number, nodes. We can upload image or ID proof over here also. So product management, we can add new product code and any extra node we want to make. Similar to that, get management, we can add new get and associate with this get to the particular WeighBridge. We can add that node here, get one to in out or out or both. So after that, gate management, camera management is here. We can add a new camera or edit the previous one. Here we can give the camera name, camera type, which make or model it is, IP address of the camera, port number, username, password, and the WeighBridge number to which this camera is connected to. And after doing these settings, we can play camera over here, and we will start getting live videos from the particular camera. Similar to that, I have already added second camera also here. So both the cameras are live now, and we will get the live feed from the camera. So after this camera management, now comes to the settings, database setting. As this software is supporting the SQL database, we can give the server name, file name, port number, username, password, or the particular location of that server. So after doing this, all the settings, we also have to enable the auto backup. So what time and the location for the auto backup. File location we also can do, and we can also restore from the same database over here. For right now, I am canceling this. So after database, sleep settings are here. Entry date, second disabling the all fields in the second pass or not, tear weight, update difference percentage. If the same track is coming one after some few days, and if the tear weight is changed by this much of percentage, the software will prompt to update it in the vehicle management. Ticket number, reset ticket number in case of financial year changes. So after that company setting, as we can upload the logo which will appear over here, name, address, phone number and email address. So after that field settings, these are all custom fields and master fields, both are here. In custom fields we have to make it visible, or if it is required maximum or compulsory maximum length, and is it compulsory to enter or not, we can do these settings from here. This is for the custom fields. Now coming to the master field, these all are the master field for account, transporter, token number, driver, product, gate and charges. So if it is mandatory, we want to make it mandatory, we just have to click this uh, required field. So this way user has to enter these details, otherwise their transaction will not be saved. So both our master field and custom fields are set, so we can save these changes. Plugin management for auto backup and camera we can install from here. So after plugin management, application theme. So right now blue is selected, we can go for the red and the color will change. So there are multiple options are here. We can select as per customers conveniency and the theme they want. So right now if we cancel this and coming back to the blue, okay, so by default the blue theme will come. So this is for the all the settings, system settings. Now coming to the reports, master reports. If we go and we can see lots of uh, data over here, unit report, token report, account report, vehicle, as many fields which are created in the master fields. So before that, transaction report is also here. So we can filter by the date or the ticket number, account number, product, or the vehicle number, or the custom fields. So we can get multiple reports, whatever is required for the customer. Later on, we will see after doing the first transaction. This is basically we can also export into Excel and take a printout. So now we will create some transaction. Okay, so create transaction we will go. So right now I am going with the double mode and the gross weight. Vehicle number I have already inserted test 123, and you can see transporter name is automatically coming. Account number I will say XYZ Limited. Driver, if we have not created, we can give name also, name one. Okay. and we will add this one. So name will come product steel, for example. If software will also prompt if it is not already exist in the master data, do you wish to add this product, we can select yes or no as per our conveniency. So product is added in the product master, gate number, okay. So as you can see over here, all the details we have entered here, and this will automatically come to see for the operator. Now capture weight, okay, so 497 kg is captured over here, and we can continue this. Field 1, as we have made it mandatory, it is prompting for the detail. F1 remarks, we can like write whatever we want, or F1 F2 remarks just for the example. Now continue. So this is the field slip for the this ticket slip, we can say, for the weighbridge. We can give the printout, and this is also a totally customizable slip. So first transaction is done. Now the active transaction will come over here, completed transaction will come over here, and void or hide transaction will come over here. So this again we want to do the second entry for the same trend. So we will go into the edit. Just we have to capture the weight. So as you can see, previous gross weight is over coming over here, tire weight is over here, and net weight is calculated over here. So just we have to press the enter or end transaction button. Vehicle tire weight is changed. Do you want to change tire weight of vehicle? No. And our complete slip will be generated. We can give the printout. So this is basically we have completed our transaction, and now it is coming over here in the completed transactions. So this is what the basic WeighBridge is doing. Also the capture image and all that. For this image to be printed in the ticket, we have to make changes in our slip. So this image will also come in our ticket slip. Okay. Now we want to see our results in our today's transaction. So just we dates are already there, so we will filter it out, and we get the details that two trucks are being weighed in this particular time period. The filter will also come over here on the top of the report, and we can also export from the Excel, PDF, or Word format, whatever we want. So this is basically our software, and the functionality it offers. It also goes with the camera and auto backup, plugin management, and everything. Okay.